good morning Primary 2. How are you today? Miss Leah hopes that all of you are fine today. Are you ready to start our English lesson for today? Today we are going to discuss about want and wants related to the kinds of occupation. Alright, let's start. If we want to ask our friends about what do they want to be in the future, we can use the following pattern. We can use what plus do or does plus the subject plus the word want to be. Remember, we have to use what plus do or does plus the subject plus the word want to be. Now the question is, when we can use do and when we can use does? We can use do if the subjects are more than one, include you. For example, you, they, your parents, your sisters, auntie and Dimas, or your friends. Now, when we can use does, we have to remember that we have to use does if the subject is only one. For example, she, he, Desi, Dini, Doni, your sister, your brother, your mother, or your father. So we have to remember that we have to use do if the subjects are more than one, and we have to use does if the subject is only one. If we want to tell our friends about what do we want to be, or want to tell someone what do we want to be, we can use the following pattern. We can use subject plus want or wants plus the word to be plus the kind of occupation. Now the question is, when we can use want and when we can use wants? We have to remember that if the subjects are you, they, your parents, your sisters, auntie and Dimas, or your friends, or in the other words, if the subjects are more than one, include the subject I, so it means we have to use want. But if the subject is only one, like she, he, Desi, Dini, Doni, your sister, your brother, your mother, or your father, it means only one except I, so it means we have to use wants. Okay, now let's see some examples here. The first example is, what blah 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 you want to be. In here the subject is you, right? The subject in here is you. So that's why we have to put do. What do you want to be? If we find the question that using you as the subject, it means in the answer we need to use I as the subject. I plus want plus to be plus the kinds of occupation. I want to be a teacher. In here, why we have to use want? Because the subject is I, What do you want to be? I want to be a teacher. In here, I refers to the subject you in the question. Now let's see the second example. What blah 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 your brother want to be? In here, the subject is your brother, so we have to use does. What does your brother want to be? If we want to answer, we have to use the same subject from the question. We can use he or my brother. He wants to be a firefighter. In here, we need to use we have to use wants because the subject is he, only one. He wants to be a firefighter. Alright, now let's see the other example. Okay, in here the example say, what blah 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 your sisters want to be. In here the subjects are more than one, your sisters. That's why we have to use do. What do your sisters want to be? They plus want plus to be. They want to be office workers. In here, the subjects are they. That's why we have to use want. And also, because the subjects in here are more than one, so at the end of the occupation, we need to put as office workers. Alright, let's see the next example. What blah 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 your sister want to be? In here, your sister is only one, so we have to use does. What does your sister want to be? We can answer by saying she plus wants plus to be plus the kind of occupation. She wants to be a dentist. In here, we have to put wants because the subject is she. She wants to be a dentist. Alright, let's see the next example. What blah 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 your friends want to be? We have to use do, yeah, because the subjects are more than one. What do your friends want to be? If we want to answer this question, we have to say they want to be farmers. In here, they refers to your friends. That's why we have to put want because the subjects are more than one. They want to be farmers with S also. Okay, the next example. What does Rina want to be? In here we have to use does because the subject is only one. If we want to answer, we can say she wants to be a nurse. In here, she refers to Rina. After that, we need to put wants. Okay, the next example. What blah 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 Brian and Dimas want to be? In here we have to use do because the subjects are more than one. They want to be teachers. In here we have to use want because the subjects are more than one. Alright everyone, I think that's all from Miss Lia today about want and wants. Thank you so much for your time to watch this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.